So this is a sketch demo I did in class, so I did it fast. The basic assignment is I want to see at least 4 concept sketches, and then you pick one of those and you do colored orthographics, which this is here. These two are a little bit looser than I would like you to do. Like I said, I did these in class fairly fast. But I'm looking for, it's a similar assignment to the shoes that you just did, except a lot of times designers will do perspective concepts and then they'll pick one concept and then they'll figure it out more accurately by doing side view, front view, orthographic. So that's your assignment. I've got some other examples here that aren't exactly that assignment. Well, actually, this was a student assignment. They did these concept sketches. They colored the one that they liked, and then they did the orthographics here in the lower right-hand corner. Well, I was hoping this one was in there. This is out of the sketchbook. This is very typical of what you'll see in the design office. A designer will do some loose concept sketches, and then they'll find something and they'll do an orthographic and make it tighter. And I'm not asking you to do these final renderings like you see on the right-hand side here, but I am asking you to do this, these orthographics that are here in the middle. So I want you to lay out a page of loose concepts, pick one, and do colored orthographics. Yeah. Here's another student version. So you see concepts. Actually, this doesn't look like the one he picked. It's got some color on it, though. It's a little bit confusing. And then you see one of them put into orthographics. You know, maybe we should throw this in, something like this, using Photoshop to get a part of it that's realistic like this.
Can we do textures too?
Hmm?
Can we do textures too?
Well, I actually have an assignment coming up that's all about textures. So let's save that for that assignment. This is out of the sketchbook. This is a group of sketches. It doesn't have the orthographics. This is one from my office from a few years ago. We see multiple sketches. There's no orthographics here, but it shows multiple sketches on the page. This is another student project. Concept sketches and a top view, side view orthographic of a pizza divider. This is orthographic but without the concept sketches. So it's kind of, the examples I have here are kind of mixed up. This is a good illustration of airbrushing outside the lines, but the lines still come through strong, and inside the lines here it's not splotchy. It is kind of splotchy outside the lines, but inside on the product it's smooth, and these look pretty nice. I don't know where these came from, but it's pretty nice.
Are you going to upload that this year?
Am I gonna what? Oh yeah, usually I try.
Horizontal format.
So I hit the wireless button. Horizontal format. I'm not actually taking it, but like.
When is it ever vertical?
I love myself. Yeah. This was it.
This has got to be a crank style radio.
Sounds really good.
Well, don't forget there's the emergency radios that people have.
That's what it is. It's an emergency radio.
You can make one with a flashlight in it.
Exactly. With the strobe that signals the helicopters and the planes that fly over.
Crazy ones. Some pretty interesting ones out there. I think my mom might have one. In case of earthquakes.
What if it gets crushed?
Then it gets crushed and you're screwed. Make it out of carbon fiber.
So what are these called?
What, these radios? Camp radios is usually what I see them being marketed in, but or survival radios. Bless you. Survival signals.
Much appreciated. My favorite restaurant, like around 80 tons. You should, they pull out your hair. The little plug here is poorly designed.
You did what now? That is that angle.
No, it's not even at an angle. It's just, they didn't like.
Doesn't even work.
Yeah,
Okay.
it works. Though.
It's just not assembled.
Yeah. I think it's that design well like 2 forward.
Dude, anything works on here.
It's showing on the whiteboard.
And not the pen part.
It's pretty good. Is it traditional?
32 acre.
This?
Your regular pen.
No.
Hey Jim,
Hey, what?
did you hear that 2 students here got tired at non-object?
Got what?
Tired at non-object.
Oh.
Remember
From
we did-
here?
Yeah, SJC. Mark just told me.
Not a whole lot. Yours
Do you
is
remember
more.
that? Our presentation?
Yes.
I don't know who got a photo. I'm trying to find out.
Congratulations. Woo!
That's great.
Nice. Thank you.
These are like $1.
You should charge for your services.
So,
Whoa.
I didn't require a third view, but I'm gonna look here.
What, the component or
Third view.
cutaway?
No, I'm done.
Like, hands?
You know who got hired?
I'm trying to find out.
Is this a local company or somewhere else?
I think they're in the South area.
What?
Yeah, they're in Palo Alto.
I memorized where control C was, so like that, basic, and I know where it is.
So non-object must be making some money.
I think they were making money.
For Photoshop, I do.
Are they new? I've never heard of these people.
No, Jeff Gregor, do you know who that is?
Okay, so there's a rough representation of your assignment. I want at least 4 concepts. And you take one of the concepts and do orthos. I did 3 views. You're only required to do 2. But maybe you need 3 in order to describe it. And I want key dimensions, length, width, and height.
Do these have to be digitally sketched or do it by hand?
You can do line drawing by hand, but the shading needs to be digital.